Thanks for watching this video. My name is Bakhter Talibekov, and now I'm going to discuss the globalization to be more detailed. I'm going to talk about the history of globalization. And probably you heard this term many times, and I hope that after watching this video you get a better understanding of it. And the importance of knowing what globalization is that it helps you better adapt in this world. And the important is that everyone is affected by globalization because the world has become very integrated. Actually, my presentation consists of 3 main points, and these points are actually 3 periods. So I will start with archaic times, then I will move on to early modern period, and I will finish with modern period. Now let's begin with archaic times. Yeah, globalization was started in the very beginning of times, actually in archaic times, and in that period this phenomena was happening through mainly wars and the trade, and it can be explained very easily, because just imagine when two armies face each other in battlefield, they see each other's weapon, how they are clothed, they see the difference in their dialect, they speak in different language, their culture is different, and by accidentally they exchange information of each other. They take a better part of enemy and give the better enemy of themselves, or maybe which they like, and etc, etc. So we have kind of mixing of their vision of world. And the similar thing happened in trade, when several countries, several empires were trading with each other. They were strengthening their relationship, and again they were sharing their culture, language, technology, and other things. And according to sorry for this thing, according to Gary Kate Young, who is the author of the book Rome's Eastern Trade, the Greek society has already been trading with India in 3rd century before Common Era. And just imagine where is located Greece. It's kind of in north, and where is located India, and between them is a huge distance, but despite it they have a relationship, they trade. Really amazing thing. So we can say that globalization started in that period, has already started in that period. So next thing is how globalization occurred in early modern period. And the feature of modern period was that in this age there was a mass exploitation of seaways, and also this age is known also as the age of great discoveries. In this age, America was discovered, most parts of Africa, Latin America, etc, etc. And so the exploitation of sea waves made people travel faster, gave them opportunity. So people are no more afraid of seas, and there is really not so big problem to reach, for example, from England to India. So just you're taking in ship, and maybe in 3 weeks you reach India. Yeah, really fast time. And according to John R. Scott, who is actually globalization researcher, by 1850 a sea voyage can from Southeast Asia to Northwest Europe could be completed in 59 days. Speed has increased, the world has become closer. Yeah, 59 days is a really short time, and if you watch the film Around the World in 80 days, you can say that actually that this film is actually factually based, because if you are reaching from one part of Asia to another in 59 days, it's not difficult to get around the world in 80 days. Now, and the early modern period finishes with Industrial Revolution. So by the Industrial Revolution, early modern periods, begins. And in all the feature of early modern period is that technological progress increased. Many things were invented, and it was invented in almost every part, not almost, in every part of science, in chemistry, in physics, and in maths, and other things also. And for example, according to Nobel Prize winner Robert E. Lucas Jr., for the first time in history, the living standards of masses of ordinary people have begun to undergo sustained growth. So we can say that globalization helped people to increase their living conditions. Yeah, it's a really good thing. And after this, we experienced the progress of digital technological improvement, and this really erased the boundaries between people. It made the world even more closer. Just imagine, let's say if 18th century, it would take about a couple of months to get contact with your friend while you write your message, and waits until it reaches him, and he sends back, and etc. And the same thing happens. So it would take about 2 months, but now we can just chat or call on phone, etc. etc. Yeah, so we see the advantages of globalization. And just to conclude my presentation, I want to say that the world has become a small room as like this, and if you are whispering something on one corner, it can be continued on the other. So just things which are happening, let's say in Europe, will continue in USA, etc. So in this globalized world, you must be able to adapt, and just remember, despite this effect of everyone by everyone, you are born original, and so don't die a copy. Thanks for watching this video. Follow me on this link.